Your palm can do incredible things. Quickly pay for items, gain access, and control other smart devices. Now it can also unlock your doors. With Philips' new smart locks and just a touchless scan, enjoy ultra-precise recognition and lightning-fast unlocking by its cutting-edge biotechnology. Get ready for a smarter, safer, precise, and more hygienic way to access your home. It will unlock as you approach and automatically lock once you're away. With the Philips Home Access app, you can get real-time notifications, control your locks remotely, and create scheduled PIN codes for others. This smart lock keeps your home safe and sound. Featuring geofencing technology, the lock will recognize you and automatically unlock when you arrive and knock. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant.
Alexa, unlock the front door.
So you can enjoy the ease of voice command. Forget your typical locking experience and embrace the versatility and ease. Easy to install, easy to use. Experience total convenience with the latest palm recognition smart lock from Philips.
Innovation and you. Philips.